have come up with another new recipe today, tomato rice. I have taken about 4 cups of rice, pre-cooked and kept ready, about 8 to 9 tomatoes chopped, 2 bunches of mint leaves chopped, 5 to 6 onions chopped lengthwise this way, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, adjust accordingly, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a cup of oil, adjust according to the quantity of rice, salt for taste, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 cloves, about 10 to 15 garlic pods chopped, 5 to 6 green chilies sliced. Now let's get started. I've added the oil into the pan. I'm adding the cloves and the cinnamon sticks. I'm also adding the garlic pods. Give it a quick stir. Chopped onions, three to 4 green chilies. I'm going to sprinkle a little salt for the onions to fry faster. Just shallow fry the onions. Keep stirring it in intervals. The onions have become tender. You can see that, transparent. At this stage, we are going to add the mint leaves. 2 bunches of finely chopped mint leaves. Just fry it a little. I can get the nice aroma of the mint leaves. At this stage, I'm going to add the turmeric powder. This is nicely fried. Add the tomatoes, finely chopped tomatoes. Give it a nice mix. Adding the chili powder, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to cook these tomatoes with a little bit of salt. We'll add little salt, then later on we'll add a little more. Mix it well. Close the lid and leave it for cooking for about 10 minutes. The tomatoes have totally smashed. It's become soft and the oil has come out of the tomatoes. Now at this stage, I am going to add the pre-cooked rice. I have cooked about 4 cups of rice. I'm going to add this to the tomato gravy. Add the complete rice and you can adjust the salt accordingly. This recipe is very easy and very good for the office goers. It saves their time. It's a very good dish for their lunch box. The tasty tomato rice is ready for serving. You can serve this with cucumber raita or a boiled egg or potato fry. You too try this. It's going to be a very tasty. The tasty tomato rice is ready. You can serve this with some raita. I have made the cucumber raita and some potato fry. You also try these at your home and please give me your feedback.